guys, since we have been doing popsicle sticks activities throughout this week, so I thought to present it in a form of visual discrimination ideas by making some colorful hearts and letting her to match. So, this not only will improve the logical approach of my child but also a great workout on identification of colors. If you want some unique and fresh visual discrimination ideas like this, then go ahead and click to the link given in the description box below. Okay, so let's watch her how she performs. Okay friends, do try this inexpensive logical activity with your child and share your feedbacks and comment below cause I love to hear from you guys. If you are my new viewer and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please don't hesitate to do it cause it's free. And please press the bell icon to receive all our weekly video notifications. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.